November 24, 2012. A very destructive snowstorm is seen coming to the northeast USA with a lot of wind. The wind picks up materials off the ground. There is what appears to be sand blowing. The appearance of desolation thereafter is evident.
February the 8th, 2013. Governors of 3 states have declared a state of emergency as forecasters say a massive blizzard is poised to dump up to 3 feet of snow on the northeast. As the storm gains strength, it will bring extremely dangerous conditions, with bands of snow dropping up to 2 to 3 inches per hour at the height of the blizzard. This snowstorm is also expected to bring or come close to hurricane-force winds. Power failures are also possible from a historic nor'easter in the making. Snowfall has already begun and almost 4,000 flights have been cancelled nationally. Store shelves have been swept clean and some gas stations are already out of fuel. The snowstorm is also expected to bring major floods and a flood watch has been issued.